Maruti Suzuki has brought something exciting to the compact SUV market, the 2025 Brezza CNG. If you're someone who wants the SUV looks without high fuel costs, this might just be the perfect pick. From the outside, it looks identical to the petrol version. Same bold front grille, LED DRLs, dual-tone options, and rugged stance. But under the hood, things get interesting. The Brezza CNG comes with a 1.5-liter dual-jet petrol engine, paired with a factory-fitted CNG kit. It produces around 88 horsepower and 121 Newton-meters torque in CNG mode. Sure, the power drops slightly compared to petrol, but the real hero is the mileage. Expect over 25 kilometers per kilogram, which makes it one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in the market. The driving experience is calm and practical. It's not meant for aggressive driving, but city runs and short highway drives are smooth. Gear shifts are slick, and clutch is light. Even on CNG, the engine feels refined, and transition between petrol and CNG is seamless. Inside, the Brezza offers a clean, modern cabin with a 7-inch infotainment screen, wireless Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, steering-mounted controls, and cruise control in higher variants. Safety is well covered with dual airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking camera, and more. The boot does get smaller due to the CNG cylinder, but for daily usage, it still offers decent practicality. And remember, this is a proper compact SUV with good ground clearance and suspension tuned for Indian roads. In a market where fuel prices are a big concern, the Brezza CNG offers a stylish, comfortable, and cost-effective solution without compromising too much on features or space. It's a smart move by Maruti, especially for city buyers and daily commuters.